Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be telling you exactly why I would be absolutely thrilled if Bitcoin were to enter a long-term bear market, a short, medium, or long-term bear market, and I'm going to tell you exactly why I think that would be great. Now, why would I want Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to enter a long-term bear market? I'm down here on my investments here on Binance. I'm down here on my investments I'm holding in my wallet. I'm down on the Bitcoin I have in Hashflow. I'm down on the Bitcoin I have in Coinbase. I'm down on all my investments because cryptocurrency is down, and why am I happy about that? Why am I happy about that? Now, a lot of people say, okay, well, I want the cryptocurrency market to go to zero so that I can buy a billion Bitcoin. People that say that probably don't have any idea what they're talking about if they say a billion Bitcoin, because there's not a billion Bitcoin, but you get my point. A lot of people say they want the cryptocurrency market to go to zero because they want to buy cheap Bitcoin. They want to buy cheap Litecoin. They want to buy cheap of every single one of these coins, and they're absolutely right. I do want the cryptocurrency market to go down so that I can buy this. I pray for a bear market in cryptocurrency every night before I go to sleep. I pray to the gods of cryptocurrency that Bitcoin will go back down to 3,000 where I got into cryptocurrency so that I can buy it there and make up for the mistakes that I made when I first got into cryptocurrency for not buying a crap ton of it. I want that to happen because of that. That's not the reason I'm making this video, though. The reason I'm making this video, and the reason that I want cryptocurrency to go into a short, medium-term bear market, I don't really want to go into a long-term bear market because, you know, I mean, we got stuff to do. We got money to make. But the reason I do want to go into a short to medium-term bear market is because of this. We zoom out here on the day chart, and we zoom out all the way up here. We come out here. You know what? Let's go to the week chart. Let's go to the week chart. Let's go to the week chart. The reason I want Bitcoin to go into a short to medium-term bear market is because of this. Every single one of these green candles that you see here, 9 out of the 10 people that were investing into these green candles and making these green candles, those people have absolutely no idea what they're doing. They have absolutely no idea what they're doing. They say, oh my gosh, last time I heard a Bitcoin is worth $200. Now it's worth $3,000. Oh my god, I gotta buy some Bitcoin. They want to make a bunch of money because it's hip and trendy to buy Bitcoin, because you can 10x your investment if you buy an altcoin or Bitcoin at the right time. You can make so much money. And the reason I want to go into a short to medium-term bear market is because it's a bubble. Bitcoin is a bubble, not in the price action. The price action is not a bubble. The bubble is the people invested into Bitcoin. A large portion of the people in cryptocurrency are people that have absolutely no idea what they're doing. You have to understand this. This jump up right here, green candle, green candle, green candle, green candle, green candle, 5 weeks of, what, 4xing the investment on Bitcoin. Bitcoin went from being worth $5,000 down here to $20,000 in the span of 5 weeks. You could do that in the stock market in, I don't know, a decade. Those people that were investing into cryptocurrency wanted to make a lot of money, including myself, including pretty much every single person watching this video, I would imagine. We want to make a lot of money. That's a great thing. We want to make money, the money's going to come to us. Bitcoin is going to go to the moon. Bitcoin's going to be worth $1 million one day if it continues to be the #1 cryptocurrency. I believe that in my core. But the reason I want to go into a short-term bear market is because of these people that are in cryptocurrency that have no idea what they're doing, and they threw their money into cryptocurrency because they want to make some quick cash. Those people are going to get screwed, and when the market takes a tiny little downturn, they sell. They sell, and they just make every single swing in the market, good or bad, a bull market or a bear market, they make every single swing 10 times more volatile than it otherwise would be, which is why we love cryptocurrency. We love cryptocurrency because of the technology, but we also love cryptocurrency because of how volatile it is. Tell me you don't love the volatility in cryptocurrency. That's where we make a lot of our money, is on volatility. Bitcoin is worth $1,800, like, less than 6 months ago. Almost exactly 6 months ago. It ran up to $20,000. It over 10x in the span of 6 months. We love volatility in cryptocurrency because that's where we make our money, and that's what drives bull markets. But guess what? It's also the thing that drives bear markets. It's the thing that will push Bitcoin all the way back down to where it started just as quickly as it ran up in the last year, if it continues to go this way. Because the people that are in cryptocurrency, a lot of them have no idea what they're talking about. They have no idea what they're doing, and as soon as they see sell action, they sell also. Which leaves us with the people that do know what they're talking about, which I hope is every single one of you. If you've watched my channel for a while, hopefully you know a little bit more about cryptocurrency than you did when you first got into it. We want it to go into a bear, or I want it to anyway, I don't want to speak for you, but I want it to go into a bear market because what that will do, what that will accomplish, is that will effectively get rid of all the people that don't believe in cryptocurrency, that are in it to make money. That will get rid of all the people that don't have steady hands. That'll get rid of all the people that are worried about making money quickly and that are worried about actually making money in the cryptocurrency market and aren't worried about the long-term longevity of the market, and they don't care that much about the technology. Those people are going to get culled. A lot of them have already been culled. A lot of the people that were in cryptocurrency just to make money, they already left. That's why this bear market's been a lot more severe than most of the last ones. There was a huge run-up, and they made all their money, and they sold. Now they're ready to go back to their own lives because they don't care about cryptocurrency. The people that do care about cryptocurrency are going to stay here forever, or for the longevity of cryptocurrency. Let me show you something. When we come back here to this bull market in the at the end of 2013, this was the big one that everybody talks about and might happen again. We ran from a little under, well, we ran down here on this candle from -$4. We ran from $10 all the way up to $1,200 worth of Bitcoin. We did that in the span of 6 months. In the span of 6 months, about 5 months actually, we went from being worth $10 on the candles, about $100 up to $1,200. We did that in the span of 6 months. All the people up here, the majority of the people that were on this run, had no idea what they were doing. They said, oh my gosh, Bitcoin's really cool, I'm going to buy a bunch of it, I'm going to make a ton of money. And they made their ton of money, and then they sold it. And then if you were the poor sap that bought right here, and then sold down here, you lost your money. And people kept selling, and people kept selling. But guess what? The market recovered. The market went all the way down. Let's zoom in like right there. Perfect. What happened is that if you look at the market in a certain way, you see, okay, well, the market 12x'd, and then it went down by 6 times. But if you look at the market in terms of longevity, in terms of adoption, the market doubled. It went from being worth, Bitcoin went from being worth $200 or $100 to $200, $300, $400. That's the way I look at it. The way I look at it is that the market doubled, or it tripled. And the way I see it now is that when the market starts down here at 200, and we're up here at 10,000, the market's gone up by 30 times or more. If we go into a bear market, we're still going to be up 20 times from where we were several years ago. And that means that the price is higher, and that means that the adoption, there's a correlation, it's not causation, there's a correlation between the price action and the adoption. That means that Bitcoin adoption, even though we're in a bear market, is still much higher than it was years ago. So not only do we have a time to buy Bitcoin so that we can hold it until it goes to 1 million, we also have increased adoption because Bitcoin and blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies are going to revolutionize the world, and every single one of you watching this video know that in your hearts. That in the next 10 or 15, 20 years, the next 50 years of cryptocurrency are going to be insane. It is going to change the world in the same way the internet changed the world, in a slightly different way, maybe not so in such a big way, but it's going to change things really, really, really bigly. It's going to be huge. It's going to be big. Don't worry about a short-term bear market. Treat it as a time to call out the people that don't know what they're doing, to let the hype die down, and then build your own knowledge about cryptocurrency. Treat it as a time to build your knowledge about cryptocurrency, and at the same time, build your portfolio. So I think I've gotten that out of the way. I think I've beat that horse to death. I do that in a lot of my videos, don't I? So, if you're still watching the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you about something that just happened recently. I hit 500 subscribers. 525 subscribers. I was like, okay, well, I'm probably going to hit the... I was at 490 something, I don't know. Like 490 something yesterday. And I said, okay, well, in the next day or two, I'm going to hit 500, and then I'll open up the Discord server, which there will be a link to in the description down below if you want to come hang out. And guess what happened last night? I woke up and I had 30 more subscribers. So if you're one of those people, hello, welcome to the channel. This is going to be a lot of fun. This channel is going to be a lot of fun. It took a little bit of endurance down here when none of you were watching my videos, when none of you actually cared. But now, since you all care, and you subscribed because you seem to care a little bit anyway, thank you, welcome. So yeah, I'm going to be launching a Discord server. I actually already have the Discord server set up. It's already set up. I already have people that I'm going to have be admins or friends of mine. I'm going to be opening admin spots for people to join. Link is in the description. We can go in there and have a lot of fun. I don't even have a name for the server yet, so if you join, or if you want to put in the comments what you think would be a good name for the Discord server. Right now it's called Crypto Work in Progress. I'm probably going to name it to like Crypto Jebb's Discord server or something stupid. But if you have any suggestions about that, feel free to leave them in the comments, or better yet, just join the Discord, you know. Join the Discord. I'll probably be doing giveaways in the Discord in the future. We're gonna have games. We're gonna do all kinds of stuff. It's gonna be really fun. So feel free to join that. I will welcome you, and I will sing Kumbaya with you by the campfire, and we will sing some campfire songs. It'll be really cool. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed that video, please leave a like and subscribe. Let's get this to 1,000 subscribers by the end of February. That's my goal. After we get to 1,000 subscribers, I can monetize the videos and I can make a bunch of money off of you. Hello, and thank you for giving me your money by watching the ads. And if you have ad block like me, don't worry about it. I don't really care. That's not my main source of income for crypto and for entrepreneurship. I've rambled too much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.